Ah, go on, nice. Yeah, man, so good. I'm the boss, man. You say you
Ladies, greetings, Minister George. What is your purpose for being in this community?
It look like you mix up the script. I suppose for my line that you forget what me do? I am a community activist. Where you are the wrong here.
The government run the country, not activists. You seem to have forgotten that.
Let me tell you something.
Gentlemen, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry to interrupt. I did not get your name. I'm Angela Brissett. You are?
Connolly, George Connolly.
Hi, Mr. Connolly. It's a pleasure to meet you. I just want to let you know that I'm a part of the support group that's here to help the girls.
And I just want you to know that you and your team and the work you are doing here is most commendable and appreciated. Unlike others.
So, Mr. Connolly, how are you involved in what's happening around here?
Well, I am actually part owner of this establishment. That is, I've hired two of the young ladies, and I am also very much on the ground in building awareness with the other young ladies, young people in general in the community, to help alleviate future occurrences. So, Mr. Minister, what's your business here?
Not that I need to answer to you, Mr. Connolly, but as a part of the government, it's our right to invest within the community. As a matter of fact, we had there's a boxing exhibition thing that the young ladies had done some months ago in another community, and we endorsed that, persons settling themselves and settling their affairs without violence and gun and crime in general. So my reason for being here is to ensure that the guns and the violence stay out of our communities, and that the true government runs the communities.
So, this is not another media stunt?
I'm not a media hound. I don't need the press to cover anything. I'm genuinely here to assist where I can in this community and to fix the experience these young ladies faced and to ensure that it doesn't repeat. So I'm here because I love this community and I love my country, contrary to what you may believe.
Minister, we do appreciate your input and your presence, because a lot of communities need that. Mr. Connolly, I think we need to talk so we can collaborate.
Well, Ms. Brissett, thank you very much. And I want to encourage you to continue to do what you have initiated. And if there's any reason that you need any funding at any point, just reach out to my office. My assistant will make the necessary arrangement and I'll sign off on it. It doesn't matter how small it is, I'll have it done within reasonable cost, of course. So you take care, and I'll see you soon. Young lady, my pleasure. It's nice meeting you. Continue along.
Mr. Connolly, I'd like to introduce you to another member of our team. I think you know her. She is associated with my community.
Yes, as a matter of fact, we have.
Wow.
And as always, it's a pleasure to meet you.
Hi again, King.
Bless you. always in a positive space, doing positive things. You go, girl.
What is the most difficult thing to get rid of? Roaches. Alright, George Connor. You're one roach, but me I'll get rid of.